Hello children, last class I taught you this all, okay? Then we have done a circle, in that we have done scribbling, right? Today we are going to do hatching and cross hatching. These two things we are going to do, okay? Let's start. So I have taken black paper, white pen. Those who don't have white pen, they can use this glass pencils. Okay, today we are going to draw an object. That object is pot. Okay, to first we will take pencil and eraser. Okay, let's start our drawing. We have to make pot, okay, and pots having different sizes, different shape. So what you like, you can draw that. I'm not telling that you have to draw the same pot that I'm drawing. You can able to see pencil mark. See, I have drawn the pot and it's not a small. See, according to the sheet, I have drawn it in the center. Okay. After this pot, and we will draw the table. See, from here the straight line and here the slant line, that's going out, not inner, out. Then we will join this line and now straight. Now the extra lines are there, we will erase that. Okay, now lightly we will erase whole picture. We done our eraser. Now those who are doing with the pen, I am showing that first, then after I will show the same picture with the glass pencil. Okay, now outline the whole picture very boldly, bold outlines, not thin. Thick lines you have to do outline to the whole picture. Okay, see children, we done with our thick outline. Okay, now what you have to do, see, if you want to make designs, you can make by hatching or stippling, hatching or cross hatching only. Okay, like see how here I have to make some design, so I will do it very darkly. See, I am doing lines. You can make it more thick lines, then do it cross hatching. Understood? Now some big designs I need on it. Okay, now same here. Okay, now inside very lightly, see. Here also. Same here, light. Okay, now same here. Light, and from down we will make it dark. And in the between also. See, light dark, the combinations are there na, like that. Here we will draw a shadow only. How? See. That's it. And here lightly you can do it, because the upper part is very dark now, so lightly we can do it. And the rest of the area is also very lightly. Okay, now this part will be light and dark. Okay, here we will do light, and here we will do it dark. See, understood? Understood how you have to do it? You have to make it pot only, children. Okay, see, some are light, some are dark, some we are doing only single hatching, some are doing we are cross hatching. Okay, so you understand like that one area should be like hatching and other should be like cross hatching. Okay, any pot you can do it, pot only you have to make it. Okay, according to your sheet, make it big. Now same I will show you with the glass pencil. Now that same picture I drawn with the pen, I will show you with the glass pencil. Okay, same drawing with the pencil you have to draw, and then lightly you have to erase the drawing, then you have to make a bold line with your glass pencil. Okay, see, we given the bold line with the glass pencil. Now what you have to do, children, see, first hold your pencil from the back and do it very light shade. Okay, now if you want to make designs, so very darkly you have to make the lines. Don't pressure on your pencil because these pencils are having very soft lead, so it will be broke very quickly. Okay, now same we will do here. First we will make light lines. Okay, now if you want to make designs, so big designs. Okay, now hatching like dark. Okay, now here also little we will do it dark. Now down. Understood? Now here the shadow. Rest of the areas light. Understood? Now same down. This area will be light and that side will be dark. This side should be dark. This side should be light. Understood? Thank you.